Are you a creator or just a typist? Imagine this: you spend years learning to code, mastering syntax, and becoming a developer. But in the end, all you do is follow orders, writing what someone else tells you to. That's not programming. That's typing. Many developers today have become the typists of the digital age. They don't innovate. They don't create. They simply execute. Think about the old courthouse typists given word-for-word instructions. Never thinking, just typing. They weren't the authors, just the messengers. But those who understood the stories behind the words became best-selling authors, industry leaders, and innovators. If all you do is wait for instructions, if you only write code without understanding the bigger picture, AI will replace you. You have two choices: master your field, learn beyond code, understand the industry you're working in, and use programming to solve real problems. Create something uniquely human, build, innovate, and think beyond just writing lines of code. Because here's the truth: AI doesn't sleep. It doesn't take breaks. It works while you eat, shower, and dream. And it's only getting better. In just a few years, creating apps will be as easy as watching YouTube. Developers who only follow instructions will be left behind. The cost of building software will drop, and companies will replace order followers with machines. I've been saying this since 2016. AI isn't just business intelligence anymore, it's evolving into true artificial intelligence, and it's not slowing down. So, what will you do? Your salary won't save you. Your current skills won't protect you. The only way forward is to learn and adapt. Dive into AI, robotics, automation technologies that will shape the future. Innovate, lead, evolve, or watch the future leave you behind.